All right, sorry. Okay, go ahead, Angelo.
So, yeah, as I mentioned, this survey in 2022, it is stated that the number one killer in the world is heart disease. Heart disease as followed by stroke, and you will also see in the survey that there are respiratory based diseases like lower respiratory infection, COPD, lung cancer, tuberculosis, and not to mention as well epidemics like influenza and COVID. So, therefore, we have to take care of our respiratory system as well, like, not doing any kind of substance abuse like smoking, like any kind of addiction that may lead our health to downfall. And as they found out that aging population is one of the causes of deadly illnesses. This aging population is advancing very very fast in many different countries that are struggling to cope with terminal chronic diseases like this are what meant to be a bottleneck crisis. Medical fields do not have any known cure for this kind of diseases. They only have maintenance. Maintenance medication that will manage the symptoms to a point until your body starts rejecting the effect, and you will have to do polydrug therapy, increasing dosage, changing brand of the medicine, in which it is just continuous cycle of maintenance that never ends. So what I'm trying to say is this kind of diseases don't really have any cure. And that's why we do supplements. And aside the aging population, we also have the wrong diet, inevitable stress, exposure to pollution, and a lot of people are really exposed to this kind of people that we can really prevent, or we can really do something about it. And for our new guests, probably you guys are wondering what are we talking about here, and what we have is stem cell. So stem cell, in very simple term, as you can see on the screen being presented and shared, stem cell is a byproduct of a sperm and ovum. When fused, you will have the first building block of our body, first block of every organ, such as the heart, the lungs, the kidney, liver. Uh, our body is made up of stem cell, and if anything is damaged on our body, we usually and we do use stem cell from the bone marrow. Um, that's a procedure that you use to repair your own organs using your own stem cell. Another thing about stem cell is limitless and has unlimited possibilities, because as I've mentioned, stem cell is our building block in our body. So which means when something is damaged on our body uses stem cell to repair it. Our body uses stem cells that replicates to form a new organ, to form a new tissue, to form a new healthy body on our system. So next po. And on this slide, the miracle of stem cell, unstoppable medical science trend, greatest revolution of medicine emerge. As you can see, uh, those are many kind of medical journals, scientific literatures, magazines. And even those written at the back, medical practitioners and even scientists believes that stem cell could be the greatest revolution of medicine, that they could possibly help with diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer, and so on. But then again, on receiving stem cell treatment, we always have different options on receiving those. So those are few examples of receiving stem cells today. We have the placenta injection, that you will need to have advanced placenta injection in countries like Germany, Switzerland, or even New Zealand and Singapore. But if it's rather urgent, there are many five-star hospitals like here in Philippines. We have the Medical City. I heard that the entire second floor is dedicated for stem cell therapy. It is really expensive and time consuming, knowing that. we need to go a lot of process just to take 1 day, 2 days, or 3 days, up to 6 months of stem cell medication, because placenta injection is not just once, twice, or thrice of procedure. So it really costs millions of pesos and dollars just to have placenta injection. Just as we know it, placenta injection is only done by the rich and famous. Then we have the stem cell transplant. Stem cell transplant is as simple as it may sound. It transplant your own stem cell, like for example your right eye stem cell. And if you have a damaged left eye, it will extract stem cell from your right eye that will be transferred to your left eye without really any kind of anesthesia, because it would kill the stem cell. But then if you are pregnant, we have an option for cord blood banking, where the stem cell from the umbilical cord will be stored in a placenta bank, which has an expiry of commonly of 20 years. But the thing is, most terminal diseases manifest clinically signs and symptoms at the age of 25. So when our stem cell production is below, uh, or, when our stem cell production is already decreasing by the age of 25 and is already down to like 70 to 80% of our body is no longer producing stem cell. That's why when we use the cord blood banking, it is really not that guarantee, and it can give missed chances, because after 25 years, after 20 years, that umbilical cord cannot be used anymore. Then we have the adult stem cell banking, where we take stem cell from a person and we mix it and to put it back to our body. It's supposed to regenerate, but it's called to be invasive. And we also have the placenta injection, very non-professional and safety concerns, because as we can see, there's a lot of salon, beauty salon, or any kind of um establishment out there that gives stem cell injection, they say, but we aren't really sure where does their stem cell came from, or does those people managing it is actually licensed professional to do those. Then we have the healthy lifestyle. We just need to be healthy, you know, not being stressed, eating at the proper diet, exercise, and all. We can have our body to naturally produce stem cell, but again, it is very ineffective. As we know today, pollution, stress, it's just anywhere that we can really avoid. So, as we do, is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way? And now we have here is oral capsule modern technology. Um, as to mention, our Alpha Laboratories is from New Zealand and has perfected the technology to create capsulized form of stem cells that can remain alive for 3 to 4 years. Firstly, using the freeze drying technology, the cryogenics, and th- that keeps the stem cell alive for 3 to 4 years. Then we have the supercritical extraction that we maintain to extract 99% of the biological activity from the sources that we put inside the capsule. Then we have the nitrogen field technology that keeps our stem cell alive and not not reach its deterioration and not to become rancid. We fill it with nitrogen to protect it from the acidity of the stomach. We make it enteric coated technology. So thus, it won't burst in our stomach, but thus it will burst out in our intestine, which we can most fully absorb it. Then we have the emulsification technology, or we can also call this nanotechnology, to make it smaller so that the body can absorb it better, similar to how um, intravenous work of biosoft technology also makes it more absorbative and makes it more um, multipotent to our body at its highest efficacy. So, next is next. To present is we have our Portier. Did I pronounce it right? Portier, yeah, Portier in our seventh edition. Our Portier has taken its placenta from the deer. And as you can see here on the slide, ancient sayings of treasure in the deer. We have the tail, sinew, pizzle, blood, heart, skin, velvet, and placenta. All of these are considered an ancient treasure from a deer because a deer is known to be the herbal beast that is very, very clean and pure and has the highest compatibility for humans. And in the ancient times, deer is also only used by the kings and queens, emperors and empress for them to keep um to keep their health healthy, to keep themselves fresh and beautiful. And what we get here in our deer is just the antler and the placenta. But not to worry. Sige po, next data. And yeah, here on our slide is the generations of Portier that has been done. So ever since 2008, Portier has been only the flagship of Freeway International. We continue to develop it over the years and we continue to innovate it and improve it, um, continuously adding patented technologies that only Freeway can do. Uh, next po. And as speaking of clinically patented ingredients, these are the five main ingredients that we have. We have the cervicenta. Cervicenta is the stem cell that is taken from the placenta of the deer. They are multipotent, meaning they are very good at transforming into many different type of tissue on our body. Then we have pelvicenta. It is from the antler, a tip of the antler of the deer. They are also very good for repair and regeneration. Very good for anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory. Then we have the Enjingsen. It is a type of ginseng that can only be found in the volcanic soil of New Zealand. This ginseng is also called as a food for the brain and is good for anti-inflammation and shutting down certain genes that keep us old. Then we have the axertone. Axertone is a type of lychee mushroom which is designed um, to give out anti-aging, antibacterial, and anti-oxidation that keeps us body fresh and that keeps the portier that keeps our other live ingredients pure and fresh so it won't deteriorate and become rancid. Then we have the nucleoclavem, a special type of strawberry that can only be found also in Japan. Nucleoclavem is also good as an anti-inflammatory and is natural antibiotic. It is a type of white strawberry. So why do we need a health supplement? So we need this kind of supplements, of course, to maintain our health, to preserve the quality of life, and to prevent uh, any kind of diseases that may come to us, to regenerate, detox, protect, lower the three highs. What the three highs are the diabetes, the cholesterol and blood pressure, and recovery and repair. But what we have here in Reway and in Portier, our product is done to fulfill all of our health supplement needs. But in our special case, Portier is the only supplement that can repair and recover plus regenerate directly to the things that are damaged to our body because again stem cell is the building block of our body um that uses its component to repair our body. Next. And these are also the other ingredients that we have. The brown seaweed. Brown is is a type of anti-cancer seaweed. Then we have the apple extract, which lower downs the insulin and the blood sugars on our body. We have the tomato extract for collagen, vitamin E, marine collagen, and evening primrose oil for hormonal imbalances and blood circulation on our body. Squalene and avocado combined, they are good fatty acid that melt cholesterol blockages in our blood vessels. So what avocado oil does is lower down the cholesterol in our body. And we have the borage oil, which is anti-inflammatory as well, acting like it has vitamin B complex for our nerves. And aloe vera extract are good nutritional complexes that supports every other ingredient that we have, and that fulfills everything that we needed on our body. So on our portier on Vitri Way, it is very all-rounded, as what we do is reverse the aging process. We don't just halt or stop the aging process, but we do reverse the aging process. That's the portier. And also, as the last slide, this is the leading causes of death worldwide in 2019 based on world data. As we can see, the top 10 are still cardiovascular diseases, cancer, respiratory disease, digestive system disease, lower respiratory, dementia, diabetes, diarrhea. As we can say, Portier can cover all of those leading diseases. Those leading diseases that is connected to our uh, body health. But on the other part, which is the lower part of the graph, we can see it's natural disaster, drug abuse, alcohol abuse, drowning, murder. Those are the things that, of course, Portier can cover. Because, as we know, diseases are really a big factor on our system and our society. Uh, Even if we ask ourselves, we all know someone that who is sick. We all know who is someone that is needing such betterment of their health. We all know someone who is trying to live despite their conditions, despite their having the risk of exposing themselves in many different kind of things that could potentially lead to their death. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
All right.
Angela.
So thank you so much for that, Angelo. That is an excellent presentation, similar to the office. So what we do here, we copy, we duplicate, and this is it. So thank you, Angelo, for that. So I hope, guys, you have learned. Okay, so as you heard, we only have one health product, which is stem cells, which is Pure Cheer now in seventh edition. So when it came to the Philippines, it was fifth edition. Okay, let me tell you the story of Riway history. So, Riway International is a research and development company based in Singapore, but our product is manufactured in New Zealand. So, it is reversing aging. It is not anti-aging. So, anti-aging means if you are taking food supplement and vitamins, if you are 50-year-old, it slows down your aging to become 51. You look like 51, 52. Slow down. It's anti-aging. However, our Porche, is reversing aging. So it makes us younger, not only our face, but of course, our internal organs, because that is live stem cells. So as of today, it is only Reway International who capsulize stem cells. So if you heard that, stem cells is a combination of sperm cell and ovum. and only humans and animals have sperm cell and ovum. Other than that, if they are not from animals or beasts, then that product it's not stem cells. So, in our seventh edition, we have 14 ingredients, and you know, you heard those ingredients. Actually, our company, we have our own vast land in New Zealand where our deer are wild. Okay, they are not in a zoo, and they and we don't kill the deer in the process. So we waited for the female deer to give birth and get the placenta, just to make it clear. And this product, with the certificates that we have, Singapore certificates, New Zealand certificates, FDA in countries that we have branches and offices right now, we have um, FDA, okay? Here in the Philippines, Reway started in 2016, and right now we have 6 offices, and 2 more offices will be open this year, 2025, because in the Philippines, we are more than 100 million Filipinos. But of course, since our business is franchise stem cells, we are international. So now we have office in Budapest. No, we have office in Prague. We have office in Poland, and soon will be in Budapest. You see, this is the first direct selling company that is from Asia moving to Europe. But there are so many countries that we don't have offices yet, but we have active members, leaders. We don't call ourselves leaders, we don't call ourselves distributors, we call ourselves leaders. Okay, we are not distributors, because what you just heard is just one P or one benefit that you can get from Reway. Because here, aside from the product that can make you younger, if you are younger, it means like a child, like a kid. Your internal organs are all young, fresh. Okay, not overused, because when we grow like 40-year-old already, 50-year-old, okay, or all our internal organs are already abused or used. Okay, so that is reversing aging. And why reversing aging? Because of the live stem cells that regenerates inside our body. Now, it can reverse. Okay, there are 3 ingredients among the 14 that are cancer terminator, so it terminates cancer cells within 24 hours. So within 24 hours, it depends how many capsule you are taking, and there is no overdosage. No overdosage, so more capsule that you are taking, more higher effect, faster effect to your body. There is no waste. That other people would say, you took a lot of, you don't need to take a lot of food supplements or vitamins. It will only go to your waist, not in 4th year. Because if you listen, they are processed into 6 modern technologies. Now, that's the product that we can benefit, that we can gain or get initially when we pay in the company. But another most exciting here that you can get is an international business franchise. Here in Riway International, our our income is Singapore dollar. So once you become a member now, okay, automatically you can access your account, and then you can process your next account if you want to repurchase your next account, because in Reway there is no limit how many accounts you will have. But the best part again here is more accounts you have, more branches. It's like having more branches that can give you passive income, because more people you convince, okay? You convince to franchise in the company, more income that you have. And there is no limit. Whether you are in Belgium, you are in Serbia, you are in the Philippines, your market is the whole world. So countries that don't have offices yet, okay, like in US and Africa, Australia and Canada, we don't have it there yet. So their stocks will be coming from Philippines if their sponsor is from Philippines and we ship by DHL. In 5 business days, they can get their product. All right. So welcome, Charita. Mayan, thank you for joining us. Okay. So these ladies, they are already starting their training here. Because as I've said, not only the product we get, but we also have international business franchise, and our income is Singapore dollar in daily payout. Your every account, every diamond account that that you have here gives you up to 70% income, and the return of investment is very fast because daily payout. So our cutoff is 12 midnight Singapore time. Example, you are here in the Philippines and one of your friend from Canada, okay, joins through her credit card. You can process that in the website, and then 1:30 Philippine time or 1 o'clock Singapore time or Philippine time, 1 o'clock in the morning the following day, you get your RW or Reway wallet that is Singapore dollar. All right. So that is why we can attend international events. So aside from the product that you can enjoy for your reversing aging, aside from the Singapore dollar bonuses and plan and income that you will have, unlimited income that you can have. By the way, our account in Reway is transferable. Okay, so you can transfer this to your child, to your children, and then they can transfer this to their children, to your grandchildren, and to their next grandchildren. Why is that? So Reway is like it's the same as other direct selling company. There are so many offered. Some investors will offer this. They uh entice with saying to the CEO, boss, you can sell the company and then earn billions on the spot. But our CEO, a Singaporean, never do that. He will not do that because his purpose is to help people all over the world. Now, why I say that we can transfer and up to the next generation, we can our family can benefit. Right now, Reway is only in 13 countries. Okay, we are 17 years in the market since 2008, and we are now in 13 countries. And in these 13 countries, imagine there are almost 200 countries in the world. So we are not yet starting. Even in the Philippines, we are more than 100 million Filipinos. But if you go out of your house, in your office, in your family and friends, okay, neighbors, in your circle of friends, I don't know if there are few of them who already know our product, stem cell product, or our company. So guys, here in Reway, we don't sell the product. Once you purchase, once you paid in the company, what you get is an international business, and the product actually is free. Okay? So, I know that you are convinced of the product. Let me ask Miroslava, okay, our leader from Serbia, if she can give her testimony about the product. Go ahead.
Okay. I have good experience with Portier, but and I can all the best for my health.
Yeah, that's really good. Do you know how old is Miroslava now? Do you want to ask her?
I am 76.
76-year-old. and still
Yes.
she is doing this business. She got a lot of friends in
Wow.
different countries.
Yes.
So you see. So thank you so much for that, Mirosa. Actually, about the bones, the broken bones that you had.
Yes. I've broken my right hand, and I don't have pain. Don't have pain, but I using Courtier, and I have also physical therapy,
Oh,
about
that's perfect.
therapy, and about using
Okay.
Courtier.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so much for that. So you see, even the broken bones of a 75, 76-year-old, it still regenerates. And you heard her, she said no pain because our white strawberry, okay, has already a natural pain reliever, natural antibiotic that even a toothache, okay, it can stop the pain of the toothache. So that is the magic of our product. And I remembered when Angelo said that if you franchise in Riway, it's like franchising a drugstore. Okay, you got it all. Someone in the house got fever, dengue, stomach disorder, okay, whatever it is, okay, just take for cheer for J. Okay. So that's how amazing our product. And you heard me tell you about the business opportunity. Okay, my mentor would always tell me if that my mentor would always tell me, think of a country, where do you want to open the market? Okay. Yeah, of course, white hair, it will turn into black. My uncle in Iloilo in his 70s, okay. The one who told me about this is the auntie who visited him. She was surprised that the hair of my uncle was already black, and even the eyebrows grow. So my auntie asked him if she went for a hair dye. Of course, he did. He just said that I just finished 2 bottles like that. So even bald, no hair. Okay, we have a lot of testimonies about that. Uh, women who cannot bear children. Okay, all of this will be addressed. So for me, the very reason, by the way, why I do this, because of my diabetic mother, that she already, lost her vision and a lot of health problems in her body. So during that time, um, I realized that spending so much money for the maintenance. Okay, the maintenance word itself says that it only maintains. So it doesn't promise, an improvement or what. So it can prevent or control certain organs, but it can damage our liver and kidney. So I decided to have them try Portier. The time, okay, of course I cannot afford, that was so very, very expensive. But since our company is a direct selling, multi-level marketing, what I did is to look for people who need Portier to recover for their health in our town. Then when I finally, okay, was able to find 8 people to join, okay, for one set therapy, then I got mine for free. See, it's free in the sense that my commission from that income, that is what I earn. So I earned a total of more than one set, and so both my parents started to take pure cheer without skip, and me also and my family. Up to now, we don't buy the product, but we get the stocks from the commission. So here you don't sell the product, but you take the product for yourself, because you have peace of mind if your whole family is healthy, because hospital is so expensive. And when both my parents and me are already taking the product, and every quarter that time 2016, every quarter we have events abroad, different event. The first event that I attended, after like six na 8 months that I joined the company, is the anniversary in Singapore. So from Philippines, I flew to Singapore to attend the event, and that is uh, 14,000 people from different parts of the world who attended. So 14,000 people who attended the anniversary of the company, and we were like, and there were 1,004 tables, okay? And they prepared 14,000 pairs of chopsticks, 14,000 chairs, okay? Unlimited drinks, hot and cold, and the waiters and waitresses are Singaporean. 1,004 of the waiters and waitresses were there to serve us. So one waiter and one waitress, okay, assigned in one table. So that event really amazed me, because what kind of company, okay, what kind of company can afford? And that is Singapore. Here in the Philippines, peso is, just a fraction of dollars, like that. But here in the Philippines, if they're going to hold like that, it costs also millions. But that was in Singapore, and then slowly Philippines, because during that time Philippines was like over a year old already. So slowly, because of that event, there were like I think we were um 40 people, 40 or 42 Filipinos from Philippines in 2017 attended the Singapore event, the anniversary. The following year, there were 200 plus of us Filipinos. The following year, thousands. Until we have already team in the Philippines, so many teams that some of the team can hire a charter flight. Okay. One team uh, hired a chartered flight. So she hired that one plane for all her team. It means that this leader in the Philippines can afford, because one charter flight, the I asked her, she paid like 4 million pesos. It's like 80,000 US dollar for that plane. Okay, for her group, for her team to attend such event in Singapore. And after pandemic, okay, we separated in events. That's why in Europe they have their own events. In Asia we have different events in different countries. Why is that? Because our CEO once said that there is no place in the world, okay, there is no place on earth that can hold Riway leaders. So 2 years ago, we were also in Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur, like 90,000 people. 90,000 people from so many different parts of the countries came there to attend the Leaders Recognition Night. 90,000 people. So that's it. And then that is what my experience in this company. So I bought the product for my family to take, and then my whole for my family to take. And then I realized that if I give more effort, learn more about the product, then I can also fly to different countries to attend so many events, gala dinner, or anniversary, attending the leadership training seminar, Team Elite's night. So when they had the Team Elite night, because I was also a Team Elite, the lowest Team Elite, okay? During the time we were in a chartered by Reway. So the company Reway, okay, chartered flight in so many countries. We attended that in I think in Taiwan, okay, Malaysia, sorry. So during that day, example, tomorrow is the event. Okay, tomorrow is the event. All of the planes, okay, Malaysia, we were in Malaysia. In Taiwan alone, there were 10 chartered flight by Reway International. Can you imagine 10 airplanes from Taiwan flying to Malaysia, two from Philippines. I think two or three. I don't know how many from Singapore, from Hong Kong, from Indonesia, from Europe and all. And when we went to the plane, okay, when we went to our seat, because we elites, that was my first time to fly in a business class, because business class is so expensive, right? So I was so surprised that all the elites, okay, we were guided in our to our seat, and I was one of the elite seated in a business class. And in all of the seats of, yeah, it's a different feeling, if you have a rank in Reway, especially in this event. um we have special treatment. We have our own seat with our name. You are earning $20,000 or $10,000 a month, and then you are also treated as VIP like that. So that's why I don't go to another company anymore, because I already experienced Reway. So charter flight going to Philippines, going to Malaysia, and going back to Philippines. And there were 30 airplanes from different countries who flew to Malaysia, to Kuala Lumpur that day. So can you imagine what company can afford this kind of event? That's why I said we are so blessed that we found this company. So I've been here since 2016, 9 years already. And I can say that if I'm going to combine all the companies that I can work with, 3 or 10 companies, Reway is non-comparable. Okay, so that I saw my passport like last week, because I was looking for something. It was in an envelope, my old passport, no. I counted how many trips I had before pandemic. I had 33 trips. 33 trips, in few times countless in Singapore, in Taiwan, in Hong Kong, in Indonesia, so many that we have branches in Asia. That
Wow.
was after yeah, after pandemic. Now, I did not count how many trips I have after pandemic, because the first trip I had after pandemic was in India. So right after pandemic, I went to India 3 times every year. And then in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, like that. That is my own trip, because I wanted to expand my market in India and in UAE. So how I started in Reway? I started in Reway with one bottle or silver account, and then I upgraded it into diamond account, because if you are diamond account or one set therapy, you have unlimited income. And then the rest is history. From that capital that I had, it changed my life. I was able to buy cars, I was able to buy properties like that. I travel to all events, international events that I am qualified.
Aubrey,
Yes,
Aubrey,
yes.
now you are VIP. Now you are VIP.
Yeah, I am VIP. And do you know, every time we have leadership training seminar, LTS seminar, it's like a huge classroom. All of the elites, when it is in the Philippines, all of the elites, we have a different place. to eat. And here in the Philippines, every because the leadership training seminar is 4 meals in a day: morning snacks, lunch, and two snacks in the afternoon. So during the lunch, the the budget of the company for all the elites is $100. One person for lunch alone. And let me tell you what is happening in the elite area. All all of the elites there, they don't eat much, okay? But there are so many food that you cannot eat all, okay? There's so many food that you buffet. It's a buffet actually, from drinks, okay, from pastries, from desserts, food. You cannot eat them all, and we are given only like 1 hour to eat, break time, and then go back to our place to start again the seminar. So, what are the stories or the in the Philippines, we call that marites. In one table, the elites would talk about their leaders who bought properties, who bought new cars, okay, who are earning up to millions of pesos. That is the stories that I can hear in the elite area. So some leader will say, "Oh, I have hangover. I just came from Europe trip. I visited my leaders in Italy, in Spain. I just came from USA. I went there for a month and then helped my leaders." So these are the conversations, the topics that we are talking in the elite area. People there who always set their goals, they talk about their achievements, they talk about their business expansion in different countries. And in Riway, you cannot see us in Facebook posting our new cars, posting our new properties, farm or beach. But in the Philippines, there are already a lot of people who are already successful in Riway. Hundreds already, thousands already of people who start when they join Riway, they were like we say nobody. Now they are somebody because Riway give them value. They give them the chance to talk on stage in front of thousands of people. Just like this coming May 2 in the Philippines, one of the speakers is 21-year-old pure-blooded Chinese. So, how did she start? Her parents did not help her. That was on her own because during the time when she became Pegasus, both her parents were in Japan and she was here in the Philippines to fight on her own. So she continuously looking for people who wants to become leaders. And there she hit her Team Elite Pegasus, and the lowest earning of Team Elite Pegasus in 1 month is 100,000 US dollar or 5 million pesos lowest. So that would be our problem later on if how are we going to spend our $100,000 a month? You will be overwhelmed and you will not believe that until you experience that. You heard how good our product, but you will not, okay, believe how good our product until, okay, you take your cheer. And there you see, after 1 week, you're getting better, you're getting younger, then you will say that indeed, per cheer is reversing aging. And then your business starts because people around you will take notice and they will ask, "What is your secret?" There your business starts. And then when you join Reway International, be sure you have a passport because whether you like it or you don't like it, you will fly in different countries. Okay. So, by the way, Angelo also joined or attended that gala dinner in Singapore last January with Doris. All right. So, do you have questions, guys? Yeah, if you have some questions about the